one stabilizer to rule them all. This is the gimbal you've seen all over TikTok, and for good reason. It's the 3-axis handheld beast that takes your smartphone and turns it into a filmmaking machine. We're talking buttery stabilization, the kind that makes running shots look like they were shot on a dolly. And yes, it works with both iPhone and Android. No adapters, no stress. It's got a built-in fill light, too, because nobody's got time to carry a ring light. Tap the button, boom. Perfect lighting for your face, every angle, every take. Face tracking? Of course. Gesture control? Naturally. This gimbal sees you, follows you, and keeps you center stage, so your solo content hits like a team production. Foldable design, throw it in your bag, take it on the go. And yeah, it charges fast and holds strong, so you're not worrying about battery life while you're out there making magic. The one pair to power your grind, Rise for the 75 hours Bluetooth 5.3 earphones, the wireless beasts built for nonstop hustle and crystal clear sound, with a battery that keeps going for up to 75 hours straight, no interruptions, no recharging panic. Just pure audio freedom all week long. And yeah, they're rocking the latest Bluetooth 5.3 for faster, more stable connections, whether you're hitting the gym or the pavement. Plus, IP7 waterproofing means sweat, rain, or even a quick rinse can't slow these down. They're made for the elements, made for movement, and then there's the ENC noise-canceling mic, the one stand to clean your setup. Rise for the controller stand with 9 light modes. The ultimate headset holder meets gamer throne that levels up your desk with style and function in one slick package, featuring a rotatable headphone stand that keeps your gear always within reach. No more tangled mess or random placement. And it's not just about storage. It's got 9 dynamic RGB light modes that match your vibe, whether you're going full-on neon or keeping it low-key. And yeah, it's got a detachable controller hook too, so you can mount, move, and customize your layout like a boss. Whether you're on Xbox, PS5, or PC, this stand holds your gear, shows it off, and makes your whole setup feel intentional and clean. Built for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants their desk to hit different. The one box to rule your screen, Rise for the MeCool KM2 Plus Android TV box, powered by the S905X4 chip and running Android 11. This smart 4K set-top box turns any TV into a full-blown entertainment hub, certified for Netflix in 4K. So you're not sideloading or settling for HD, you're streaming crisp, stunning Ultra HD straight from the source with Dolby Atmos support that wraps your room in cinematic sound. Every explosion, whisper, and beat hits like it should, packed with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage for smooth app switching and plenty of space for your favorite streaming apps. And don't sleep on the USB 3.0 port and 100 mem LAN, fast file transfers, stable connections, zero buffering, just clean, powerful performance all day, the flip that plays all day, the flip that glows your way, the flip that everyone craves. Meet the Anbernic RG35 XXSP Flip Game Console. The pocket-sized powerhouse with a 3.5-inch IPS screen for crisp visuals, the console that runs retro legends and indie favorites with ease, the one where every button feels right, every joystick moves smooth, every game hits different, the one with mini HDMI output so you can go from handheld to big screen in a flash, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2 for easy downloads and wireless play, the one that lets you switch from gaming to ebooks in one smooth flip, powered by Linux. Revive your Nintendo 64 with the Epic Joy Summer Cart 64. An open-source game card loaded with 5,400 plus classics and rare 64DD titles on a 32GB SD card. Plug it in and play instantly. No setup, no mods, just pure nostalgia. Enjoy lightning-fast load times and seamless gameplay across NTSC, PAL, and JP consoles. Switch between games effortlessly with a smooth, user-friendly interface. Relive every memory from Mario to Majora with one simple device. Experience rare imports and fan-translated gems once locked away. Future-proof your collection with open-source updates and community support. Enjoy the perfect mix of retro vibes and modern convenience, and turn your old-school console into an all-access arcade. Epic Joy Summer Cart 64, where your N64 story continues. Introducing the Luxio V8 RGB Video Light, the portable lighting solution designed for gamers, vloggers, and creators who crave pro-quality illumination on the go, featuring full-spectrum RGB with stepless brightness control to set the perfect mood for any scene. A built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery for hours of runtime, and USB-C fast charging to keep you powered up. Light your scene like a pro with the Nagnaz U800 Plus LED video light, a bicolor studio lamp that adjusts from 2500K to 8500K for perfect warmth or cool tones, with stepless dimming from 0% to 100% so you're always in control. It comes with a sturdy tripod stand and a wireless remote that lets you tweak brightness and color temperature without leaving your setup. Designed for creators who shoot YouTube videos, TikToks, live streams, or product photography, this light delivers soft, even illumination with high CRI for true-to-life colors. The 50-watt output and 11120 LED beads pack enough power for everything from interviews to portraits. The 55 degrees beam angle fills your frame without harsh shadows or hot spots, while its compact design makes it easy to set up anywhere. Backed by CE, FCC, RoHS, UL, and PSE certifications for safe and reliable use. Experience next-level clarity with the U-Green HDMI 2.1 ultra-high-speed cable, supporting breathtaking 8K at 60 Hz and ultra-smooth 4K at 120 Hz for your PS5, Xiaomi Mi Box, or home theater setup, with 48 gigapieces bandwidth delivering flawless Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and eARC audio for immersive sound and vibrant visuals. Carry everything you need with the big-capacity waterproof camera backpack, designed for photographers who shoot anywhere and everywhere. Built to fit your DSLR, lenses, drone, or video gear with customizable padded dividers for Canon, Nikon, Sony, and Pentax. It features a secure tripod holder, external USB charging port, and shock-resistant design for ultimate convenience on the go. Its water-resistant shell and included rain cover keep your gear dry in unpredictable weather, while breathable mesh padding on the back and adjustable shoulder straps provide comfort during long shoots or hikes. Multiple zippered compartments keep memory cards, batteries, and accessories organized and within easy reach. Quick access side openings let you grab your camera without unpacking the whole bag, and a luggage strap adds travel-ready functionality for pros on the move, whether you're capturing mountain sunrises or city weddings. Find the link in the comments to get yours.